Welcome to the Catia V5 tutorials. This tutorial will be on detail views. Now we have a drawing open and ready to go. You can go dive straight in. First thing to know about detail views is it's basically a zoomed in larger area of a piece of an already created view. Two types, there's a detail view and there's the quick detailed view. The detail view will take the geometry directly from the loaded 3D model. The quick detail view will take its information from the drawing, from the view. So they will both be the same, but one goes back to the 3D and the other goes back to just the view. Okay, so we'll start with the detail view. First thing you notice is two icons. The first one will make a circular, another quick way of detailing part of your drawing. You click where you want at the center, and you click for the size, and then you click where you want the view to be. There we go, it details it up, it shows that call out, and away you go. The second detail view profile, do this one over here, gives you control of the shape of your call out. So you can have a square call out there, maybe missing something that you didn't want to show, and we can put that there, and there you go, we have the square call out, the two views. The next is the quick detail view, and you'll see that this is roughly the same, exactly the same process. You click on the icon, pick the center of where you want your view to be created, and you pick what's the right size, and you come down here and you press again, click again, and there we go. The next one is the controlled size. You can have it whatever shape you like. You can come down here and do that. There was something that you didn't want in your view, and that comes down over here. Notice how the quick views are taken from the view and so have a extended cut line. The cut line is shown on the view itself rather than the detail view, which just has the cut as it goes through the part. And there we go. That's how to create detail views in a Catia V5 drawing. I hope this does help. Tune in again next time for some more tutorials.